Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets, and today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money. All right, and let's get started with our first saving challenge. So first we have where we save every Friday of 2025, and the next Friday that just passed is the 17th of October. And this money goes towards extra payment of debt. So 10, 15, 17. Let's do it like that. So $17. All right. Next is our weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And this goes towards my son's senior year. And let's roll a D8 to determine how much we are saving for this week. And we got a 7. Thank goodness, because we was getting all the ones. So $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, $7. All right, next we have our saving challenge created by Save with Judy. Each icon is $5. It also goes towards his senior year, and it's $25 a month and $300 total. So that, let's color in this ghost here for $5. Boom, boom. $5 going in there. Next we have, you can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi. This is also for his senior year, class of 2026. And when I am rolling a D20, and you have numbers here 1 through 20. And last week I got a 20. So I'm going to just roll and cross out those numbers, and then you have some blank papers here, and you can roll whatever dice you want and save in those blank ones if you want to, or you can make each one $1, a quarter. It's up to you. And I got a 12 there, so let's go ahead and color in this 12. Perfect. So let's do 10, 11, 12. That's just something fun to add to the year of savings. Next we have, say, 2025 and 2025. This is created by the Almost Organized Aisle, and I am saving for my taxes for next year. And this is coming along so perfect. My plan was to put 50 in here. Let me see, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Or was it 50? Hold on. I forgot how much I was going to put in here. Let me backtrack. I know I was going to do the 24 and 23. 47. My bad. 45, 46, 47. And that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, $12. So I could do another one. Should I just knock out 3 of them? I think I should. Let's do the 10. And I'm going to put $2 to my other challenge here. So let's count that again. So we got 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So 57. So that's an extra $10 I was going to put in there. So we are going to do, let me add that up again. So I say 57, so minus 24. So we're going to do the 24 first. I just like how I'm just knocking these big numbers out the way while I can. And then minus 23, yes. So then we have $10 left. Perfect. And let's do, excuse me. And then a 10 here. Perfect. All right, and so that's $57 going into here. And then I'm adding these $2 to this fill a jar created by NASA Budgets. And this is saving for a vacation. And that's $2. And that is just, we just slowly putting money in here. And this is for next year. So let's get $2. What should we do to 2? Should we do the one in the middle here? Perfect. And like I said, I'm thinking about making this binder into a vacation binder. We shall see, or add more challenges for vacation. But so far, this totals $100. So that's just something a little small there to add. All right, gems, that is $100 put into my year of savings. A nice quick video. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.